In continuation to the previous image processing concepts, like basic concepts, image, pixels, and image formation, image acquisition, the next concept is image sampling and relationship between pixels. The very first thing we have discussed here is image sampling. Now, when it comes to image sampling, the output of most of sensors is a continuous voltage waveform whose amplitude and spatial behavior are related to the physical phenomenon being sensed. Now, to create a digital image, we need to convert the continuous sensed data into digital form. This involves various processes. Now, here, these processes are nothing but image sampling and image quantization. Among them, first of all, image sampling. Now, to convert here, digitizing the coordinate values is called as sampling, whereas digitizing the amplitude values is referred as quantization procedure. Let us go through this picture here. Now, it is referred as a scene here. Here we are going to see how the sampling and quantization is considered. This picture is referred as a continuous image. Later, this continuous image is further scanned such that through a scan line sensor, as we've seen in the sensors part of image processing, from A to B points there, and later we get a sampling image. The next image is called a sampling image. Later, for this sampling image, when the quantization is applied on the screen here, we can see to that diagram of sampling, you can see a quantization bar given there, starting from bright levels to the dark level, or dark level to the bright level, from bottom to top. These things have been made in the form of packets, and this is called as, we can call digital scan line. Digital dots there represents the quantums or packets. Now, the same sampling and quantization, when we look into very deep into a scene, you can observe they have made into a pixel values, point by point. You can observe how it has been shown in the pixel values. You can observe it. Now, the first picture referred as continuous image projected onto a array sensors. The second one, result of image sampling and quantization, which is referred as pixel values out here. Now, for that purpose, we have used one example here of Arnold Schwarzenegger, such that you can see the Terminator picture there. This picture, you can see step by step, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see at the third and fourth picture how an image is referred as a three-dimensional picture when it is slowed down with respect to their sampling and quantization. Next concept is relationship between pixels. In this one, we have discussed about pixel. It is nothing but a picture element. That's why the pic and L, picture element. Here, very first relationship is referred as neighborhood. That is neighborhood of pixel. You can see neighborhood can be any type. It can be next to the pixel value there, or like diagonal wise, or either horizontal or vertical direction, or in a form of a chessboard or a square. This is the neighbors of pixel. We can consider them as neighbors of pixels. Next one is referred as connectivity here. Here, in the connectivity, we refer it as connectivity between pixels is a fundamental concept that simplifies the definition of numerous digital image concepts such as regions and boundaries. Next one is adjacency. Just like neighbors of pixels, we have to go through adjacency, how for a chosen pixel, how the next pixel is standing there. Is it in diagonal or adjacent? Next one, the distance measures. When you take two pixels, we have to calculate their distances. Here we come across with various distance values. The most renowned distance is equivalent distance. D4, one more distance is called as D4 distance. We also call it as city block distance. One more is D8 distance, we referred as chessboard distance. For our convenience, I have put down an example here how the pixel values in the particular zone or a region can be shown or highlighted. Actually, the chosen image here is grayscale image, and we have the shades starting from 0 to the 255. 0 is the least and darkest part. 255 as the range where it goes up, it is the brightest part of an image. This is about image sampling, quantization, and relationship between pixels in a simple and sweet and short note. I hope you understood the concept.